Welcome to the next help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Concrete CMS on Debian 12. Concrete CMS is an open source content management system for teams. A website builder with built-in tools makes editing content easy. Check the OS version by using following command. Update the package by using following command. Install the Apache web server by using following command. Check the status of Apache web server by using following command. Install the PHP and dependencies by using following command. Check the PHP version by using following command. Install the MariaDB database servers by using following command. Check the status of MariaDB by using following command. Log into the MySQL by using following command. Create a database by using following command. Create a user by using following command. Make the grant privileges by using following command. Flush the privileges by using following command. Exit the MySQL by using following command. Go to the following location by using following command. Download the package by using following command. Unzip the concrete zip by using following command. Move the directory to the Apache document root directory by using following command. Change the ownership of the directory by using following command. Permission by using following command. Create the virtual host file by using following command. Save and quit the file. Enable the virtual host site by using following command. Disable the default virtual host file by using following command. Check the syntax of Apache configuration by using following command. Change the host name by using following command. Save and quit the file. Restart the Apache by using following command. Go to the browser. Search the domain name. Choose the language you want to run your website in. Continue to installation. The install Concrete CMS. The Concrete CMS are installing. Concrete CMS is installing. Installation completed. Read your site. You will able to see the Concrete CMS welcome page. This is the steps to install Concrete CMS on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.